explain. Lesson number 3, Sona is thirsty. This lesson is in your English textbook. Okay, so this story is about Sona. This story is about Sona, who was baby elephant. This is very interesting story, students. You will definitely enjoy if you watch this video properly. So watch it properly. As I told you, this story is about Sona, who was baby elephant. She lives in a forest with her mother and brother. One day she was feeling very thirsty. Students, what you do when you feel thirsty? Okay, first of all, what does thirsty means? Thirsty means प्यास लगना. जब आपको प्यास लगती है, what you do at that time? You drink water. So same way here also, Sona was feeling very thirsty. She wants to drink water. So for drinking water, she walks to the river. There, what she did? She dips her trunk into the river. She dips her trunk into the river to suck water. But she was not able to drink it. Why so? Because she was suffering from cold. What does cold means now? Cold means sardi hona. Because of this reason, as she was suffering from the cold, she was not able to drink water. So what happened now? She becomes very upset. She started crying. At that time, her brother, whose name was Raju, walked to the river and he asked to Sona, Sona, what's the matter? Why you're upset? Why you're crying? Tell me what happened. Then Sona told Raju that, Raju, I am feeling very thirsty, but I am not able to drink water because I am suffering from cold. Now please tell me, what shall I do? Raju told, don't worry Sona, I will help you. Raju told Sona to open her mouth. Here, Sona opens her mouth. What did Raju did now? Raju dips her trunk. What does trunk mean, student? Trunk is a nose of an elephant. Trunk is a nose of an elephant. So he means who? Raju, Sona's brother. Raju dips her trunk into the river to suck water from it. Now what does suck means? Suck means to pull in water. So he pulled in water with his trunk, and what he did? He sprays water into Sona's mouth. What does sprays means now? Sprays means to spread liquid into small drops. Just like you all are so small now, tiny. Okay, like this way. Raju, who was Sona's brother, sprays water into Sona's mouth. Like in this way, Sona drinks water. She becomes very happy. She thanked Raju and told, thank you Raju, I am no more thirsty. Student, what you learned from this story? Tell me, the moral of this story is that you help people who are in trouble. Sona is a baby elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Full stop. Students, when we put full stop, when a sentence is completed, that time we put a full stop. Who was Sona? Sona was a baby elephant. Baby elephant को क्या बोला जाता है? Calf. She lives in the forest. Forest. Forest with her mother. Mother. Mother and brother. 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 वो फॉरेस्ट में रहती थी. She lives in the forest अपने मम्मी और भाई के साथ. One day, Sona is very thirsty. 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 As I told, the meaning of thirsty is प्यास लगना. So she was feeling very thirsty. She walks to the river. River. River to drink water. As she was feeling very thirsty, she walks to the river. For what reason, students? To drink water. She dips her little trunk. Students, what does dips mean? Dips means to put something into liquid such as water and immediately bring it out. For example, as you put biscuits in tea and immediately you bring it out to eat. So here she dips her little trunk in the water. WATER. उसने अपनी छोटी सी ट्रंक पानी में डाली. Then she tries to suck, SUCK, suck the water in with her trunk. Students, now what does suck means? Suck means to pull in liquid such as water. She tries. Who she? Sona. Sona tries to pull water with the help of her trunk. I can't drink water. I have a cold. Students, now cold means what? Cold means sardi hona. She wants to drink water, but she was not able to drink it. Why so? Because she was suffering from cold. उसे सर्दी हो गई थी. Raju, her brother, whose brother, students? Sona's brother. BROTHER. Brother comes to the river. जो राजू था सोना का brother, he comes to the river where Sona was standing for drinking water. He asked, who he? Raju. Raju asked Sona, what's the matter, Sona? I have a bad cold. I can't drink water. I am so thirsty. Who told these words? Sona. Sona told these words to Raju. She said that I am suffering from cold. That means sardi. Because of this reason, I am not able to drink water and I am feeling thirsty. Don't worry. I will help you. Now open your mouth. Sona. Raju, who was Sona's brother, told Sona that don't worry, I will help you. He said to Sona that open your mouth. Sona opens her mouth. As Raju, who was Sona's brother, told Sona to open her mouth, she opens her mouth. Raju sucks in water with his trunk. Then what happened? राजू ने अपनी ट्रंक की हेल्प से पानी को पुल किया रिवर में से. He sprays water into Sona's mouth. What does sprays mean, students? Sprays means spread liquid in small drops. As you can see in the picture, how Raju sprays water into Sona's mouth. So this is called sprays. Thank you, Raju. I am not thirsty anymore. As she drinks water with the help of Raju, she becomes very happy and she thanked her brother and said that I am not thirsty anymore. Students, those who help you or gives you something, you should thank them. As here, Sona thanked Raju as Raju helped Sona. Students, hopefully you like the story of Sona. This story also taught us one moral, which is that we should have those people who are in trouble. You also follow this step. Wherever you find anyone who are in trouble, you should help them. Like in school, if your friend forgets to bring lunch box, you share your lunch box with him and her. One more thing, student, give your 30 minutes regularly to reading and writing. Daily write one paragraph and read one page. It will improve your reading skills as well as it improves your handwriting. Thank you and have a nice day.